I'm so tickled. I finally got this. It's an Olanly patio rug. This one is 5 by 8. And I was really surprised that it came in a case. So that really is awesome for putting it away at the end of the season if you're not using it, or if you're taking it in your RV to put it outside your RV for just sitting outside and enjoying whatever, the sun or a meal. It's really, really cool that they sent the case. So let's get this open and let's take a look at this. So what I really love about this is that this is made from a lot of repurposed plastic items like soda can or soda pop bottles and things like that, straws. It's polypropylene. And oh my gosh, it is so cool. I want to give you a really up close look. So it's made of these little strands. See, you can see there. And it's just woven. So it's really cool. And it's got a design on two sides. Oh, it's so cool. It's different than I anticipated. Hold on, let me get it open. So it's snowing outside. I can't set this up outside right now. So, and it's not big. My kitchen's not big enough to lay it out for its full 5 by 8. But oh my gosh, what a gorgeous design this is. I love it. And I love the fact that it's reversible, and it's just got the colors flopped. Where it's black here, it's white on the other side. So I love that. So you can decide which side you want up, or you can change it every now and then. This is actually really nice on the feet. Let me take my sock off. Yeah, that feels good on the feet. It's not prickly or anything like that. It's also waterproof, which is great. The weave is such that if you were to spill a liquid on it, it would go through. So then it wouldn't pool up on it, which is nice. And you can just literally hose it off to clean it. So you can't get much easier than that in cleaning your outside rug for sure. It's quick drying because it is just as plastic. And it is also something that you could see it folded up and really small, so you could carry it, make it very portable. You could take it to the park for a picnic or to the beach. There's just so many different ways you could use this. And the pattern is really, really beautiful. I am thrilled with this.